Today I'm very excited because we have a new section in my channel. In this section, I'm going to be helping you improve your English reading skills, and I'm going to be reading Bible stories. Are you ready? Oops, before you go, please remember to subscribe to my channel, click the bell button, share, like. Let's go! Mga bata, we are going to read together a story about Zacchaeus. He was a short man and a tax collector. He was a very, very bad man. But when he met Jesus, he became good. The title of the story is A Short Man Called Zacchaeus. Are you ready? Let's go! One day, Jesus went through the city of Jericho. Many people were following him. In Jericho, there lived a man named Zacchaeus. He was a tax collector. Zacchaeus was very rich, but he was a greedy and dishonest man. He gained money by cheating people. When he knew that Jesus was going to pass through Jericho, he wanted to see what Jesus was like. However, there were many people around Jesus. Zacchaeus was a short man and could not see over the crowd. He saw a sycamore tree in front of him, so he quickly ran ahead of the crowd. In a hurry, he climbed up the sycamore tree and waited eagerly to see Jesus. When Jesus got there, he looked up and said to him, "Zacchaeus, hurry down. I want to stay with you today." When Zacchaeus heard what Jesus said, he quickly came down and gladly welcomed Jesus to his home. Everyone who saw this was unhappy, and look, Jesus is going to the home of that bad man. Jesus did not care about what people said because he loved Zacchaeus. Zacchaeus had total changed. He stood up and said to Jesus, "Lord, I will give half of what I have to the poor, and I will pay back 4 times as much to everyone I have ever cheated." Jesus said, "Today you and your family have been saved. I come to this world in order to look for and save people who are like you." The end. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please come back next week for another Bible reading story. Before you go, please remember to subscribe to my channel, click the bell button, share, like. Bye-bye!